In this video, I will give you my 7 tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers coming up. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose, and if this is your first time here, this channel is all about tips and tools that will help you to build your authority in YouTube. So, isa sa basihan guys na meron kayong authority sa niche nyo or sa industry nyo is to have your subscribers. Continue watching kasi i-share ko sa iyo yung 7 tips na in-apply ko sa sarili kong YouTube channel para ma-reach ko yung 100 subscribers. Tip number 1 is to customize your YouTube channel homepage. So, what I mean on this guys is that dapat meron kayong professional na profile photo. Dapat yung mukha nyo ang nandun if you are building your personal brand, if you are entrepreneur, a business owner. Kung meron naman po kayong company logo, you can use that one. And then the second one is to have a channel art. Dapat sa channel art nyo, andun yung schedule kung kailan kayo mapopost ng video, yung parang slogan ng company nyo. And also, if you are the spokesperson of your YouTube channel, it is good to have your one picture sa channel art. Just like my YouTube channel, this one. So, ito yung YouTube channel art ko, guys. Okay? And then, don't forget to have a playlist sa mga video nyo kung meron kayong maraming categories. Let's say, for example, meron kayong videos for sports, for vlogs, for your tutorials. So, it's better to have a playlist of that, guys. And in your YouTube homepage, it is better to have a playlist section like this one. Okay? So that it would be easier for your viewer to navigate in your YouTube channel. Next is to have the About section of your YouTube channel. Put the details, what are your YouTube channels all about, what are the videos that you are creating, that you are going to upload in your YouTube channel. Tip number 2 is to choose your specific niche. Okay guys, if you want to be successful in your YouTube channel, it is better to have a specific niche in your channel. So, wag niyo po siyang lagyan ng kahit ano-ano, yung nagalo-halo na yung mga content niyo. Let's say for example, if you will do content for stock market, for Facebook ads, for e-commerce, FB ads. So, focus on those things, guys. It is better to focus in one niche, guys. Para yung mga audience nyo is hindi sila maguluhan kung ano ba yung YouTube channel nyo. As well as, if you have a specific niche, YouTube algorithm will also help you to promote your videos. Tip number 3 is to know your audience. Okay guys, now that meron na kayong specific niche, ang susunod nyo naman gagawin is dapat alam nyo po kung sino yung mga targeted audience nyo. Para kanino ka ba gumagawa ng content. So, it is important guys kung meron kayong demographic. When I say demographic, specific na yan. Kung target mo is mga female audience or male audience. So, now that you have idea kung sino yung audience mo, gusto mo i-target yung mga female audience only, sino-sino naman yon? Sila ba yung mga stay-at-home moms? Sila ba yung mga business owners? Sila ba yung mga entrepreneurs? Or sila ba yung mga full-time working moms? So, ayun guys. Next is you have to know kung ano yung age nila. You can target between 22 to 35 years old, 36 to 45 years old, 46 to 70 years old. So, ayun guys, mas maganda na kilalanin yung audience no. Though specific yung mga audience nyo, it is very important to know, guys, kung sino-sino sila. So, it is better to have your own buyer persona. Because in this way, it will help you to create content para sa kanila. Although specific na sila, guys, but it will help you to grow your YouTube channel fast. The fourth step, guys, is to research your content before pressing the record button. This will help you to get more views and more subscribers in your YouTube channel because once you already research your content, you are not wasting your time to create that content and wait for people to watch that content because you are not sure if that content is searchable or hindi ka sure kung meron bang naghahanap ng ganun na content. So, it is better to research first before record your content. So, meron tayong tools para magamit nyo to research those contents or content ideas para alam nyo, once na ma-upload nyo po yung video nyo, merong manonood nito. So, you can use the Google Keyword Planner or the Google Trends, or you can also use the Answer the Public, or you can use your FB group to ask your audience, to ask your FB group members on what content they would like to see in your YouTube channel. The fifth tip, guys, is to publish content consistently. What I mean in this, guys, consistently is that hindi kailangan na everyday kayo nag-upload ng video. Dapat meron kayong scheduling or I say programming sa channel nyo kung kailan kayo mag-upload ng video. Just like mine, guys. So, every Friday at 8 a.m., I'll be publishing new content. So, make sure to subscribe in this YouTube channel, guys, para magiging updated kayo sa mga ina-upload ko na mga videos that will help you to grow your business on YouTube. Tip number 6, guys, is to engage in your comments. Okay, kung meron kayong magko-comment or kung merong person na magko-comment dun sa video nyo, dapat meron kayong reply. Ang pinaka-importante, guys, is to leave a heart sa comment na yon, okay? Pag deserve naman yung bigyan ng heart. Because in this way, magno-notify yan kay viewer nyo na you acknowledge the comment na iniwan niya doon sa video mo. And it also build trust and communication between you and your viewers. So you have to reply to those viewers na nagko-comment. Kahit simple comment lang, guys, okay? Para alam nila na you are active, that you care about your viewers. So one thing din, guys, na ginamit ko about comments is that every time na manood ako ng mga videos sa mga malalaki na mga YouTube channel, I will leave my comment about that video. So make sure na yung comment nyo is related dun sa video, and then mapapansin kayo ng iba pang mga YouTuber, and then they will go to your YouTube channel. Some of them will check on your videos, some of them will subscribe to your YouTube channel. Tip number 7 is to promote your YouTube channel online and offline. Okay, guys, once nakapag-publish na kayo ng video nyo, don't forget to share it in your social media platform like your Facebook, like in your Twitter, in your Instagram, in your website, or embed it in your blog post, okay? Para magkaroon kayo ng velocity dun sa ina-upload nyo po na videos. So, it's better to share and let them others know that you have a new upload. Especially if mayroon kayong FB group, let your members know na meron kayong panibagong upload na video. So, in promoting naman offline, guys, sa YouTube channel nyo, let's say for example, if you go in an event or someone invited you to go in the event which is related in your niche naman, you can do a vlog, okay? You can include those people sa vlog nyo and invite them to watch that videos in your YouTube channel. So in this way, guys, you are building a relationship, communication in your viewers. Now that you learned my 7 tips on how I grow my YouTube channel from 0 to 100 subscribers, you can apply it in your YouTube channel as well. But just in case, kung wala pa kayong YouTube channel and you are excited to start your YouTube channel by the year 2020, check this video. And if you are using your YouTube channel for your marketing, you can check on this video. Alright, if you get value from this video, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button para makareceive pa po kayo ng mga updates about growing your business and building your brand, building your authority and influence in YouTube. Don't forget to hit the like and share, and if you have questions, just leave a comment below, guys. Bye!